Let's compare a tomahawk to a standard ribeye. They're both ribeyes. Bone, no bone. $17, $39. 1 pound, 2 3/4 pounds. They were both seasoned up so the flavors packing, never lacking. Covered with my pitmaster's privilege rub, then thrown onto the smoker. Smoked to the same temperature, brought off, then seared off to the same internal temperature. Tomahawk's too big to fit in the skillet, so we're searing it on the back. Works just as well. When the alarm goes off, you know you're doing it right. Drip dropping on them. They both cut like butter. The interior on each of them was pretty and pink. Time for the taste test. Tomahawk. Hacha-chacha. Classic ribeye. Well, for me, there's a clear winner. The standard ribeye. More crust, better flavor.
Can I try a piece, Stefan?
Which one do you like better?
Piece number 2.
There you have it. She likes the regular ribeye. Although she does prefer the bone on the tomahawk. Both of them are official. Like a ref with a whistle for dinner.